In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add webhook node in n8n. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the webhook node, how to drop it into your workflow, and which settings matter so it works smoothly with the rest of your automation. First, open the workflow editor for the workflow you want to use. This is your canvas, the place where all your nodes connect and pass data. On the right side of the editor, look for the plus icon. That plus button is your entry point for adding anything new. Click it to bring up the node picker. In the search bar that appears, type webhook. Select the webhook node from the results. As soon as you choose it, n8n adds the node to your workflow area and automatically opens its configuration panel. This is where you decide how the webhook will behave and what kind of requests it will accept. Let's walk through those settings so they're clear. The webhook URL is the unique address that outside services will call to trigger your workflow. n8n generates this for you based on your instance and the path you define. Treat this link like a doorbell to your automation. Share it only with the services that should have access. Next is the HTTP method. Pick the method that matches how the external service sends data, most commonly POST when a system pushes a JSON payload, or GET if it just needs to ping the endpoint. Matching this correctly ensures the request is received exactly as intended. Authentication is about controlling who can ring that doorbell. If you're testing privately, you might leave it open, but for anything real, choose an auth method that makes sense for your setup, such as basic credentials or a custom header. This helps prevent unauthorized calls. The path is the readable part at the end of your webhook URL. Keep it simple and descriptive. Avoid spaces, stick to lowercase, and use hyphens if you need separators. A clear path helps you stay organized, especially when you add more webhooks later. You'll also see additional options depending on your version, such as how to handle responses or what content type to expect. Choose settings that align with the service calling your webhook so the data lands in a format n8n can easily work with in your downstream nodes. Once you've set the URL, method, authentication, path, and related options, your webhook node is ready to fit into the rest of your workflow. Connect it where you need the trigger to start, and that's it. You've successfully added a webhook node in n8n. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building.